Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. So my name is Jeanette and I am a stay-at-home mama of 4 seeking to save 6 months of expenses. Hopefully you guys like yesterday's video where I stuffed my wallet. Today we are going to be cash stuffing my sinking funds as well as my business bills. So as you guys seen in the beginning, that's how much I will be stuffing into the binder. So before I get into the video, I wanted to show you guys the new savings challenge that I did add to my savings challenges. And I'm only going to do one in the book, so I wanted to just show you guys really quickly. So this is the book right here, and I'm going to be doing the first challenge, and this is available in my shop if you guys are interested. The link is below. So this is what I'm adding to my savings challenges. And the goal is 120 here, and it's just a whole bunch of 5s. And then I'll put it in this envelope right here. So that's what I'm adding to my savings challenges. And let's get started. Okay, I need my budget planner because I have everything written down as to how much I'm putting in each envelope. So this is going to be sinking funds. That's variable expenses. All right here. So everything's written right here. We are going to be cash stuffing a total of $70. And yeah, let's get started. Okay. So I'm going to put this back there just to have as reference. And here goes our binder. I did change my cover because I was tired of the other one. So it says, you only fail when you stop trying. So I've been feeling a little blue lately, like with the business and everything, but I'm not going to give up on this because I really truly believe and have a passion for doing these things and helping people. So I just had to give myself a boost today, and I did my covers and my binders, 2 covers, and I'm super excited about that. It did change my mood. So let's get into sinking funds. Okay, so back to school is going to get $10. Kids is going to get $10. And these are the new peekaboo folders that I made, cash envelopes. It's the pink marble ones. Holiday is going to get $20. Now, I do have money in Holiday, but this is going to be gone soon. I did take from this stash already because I had to buy some gifts, but this is going to be used for more gifts. So I'm adding $20 to this. I have a $100 placeholder in here. So we have 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 180, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So we have $189 in Holiday. And again, this is going to be spent. And then I'll start saving again in January for holidays. So $189. Okay, birthdays is going to get $10. Okay, as far as my business bill, Shopify is going to get $10. And taxes is going to get $10. Okay, so that's all I have as far as my business bills and my sinking funds. Tomorrow I'll be stuffing my 6 months of expenses. And then I'm also going to do one of the spring savings challenges booklet, the one I showed you in the beginning of the video. I think I'm going to stuff the $5 there. And again, make sure you check out my shorts because that's where I do a lot of my savings challenges. But I probably will bring it into a long form video. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Make sure you check out yesterday's video. Also, the day before yesterday, I posted a video showing everything that I'll be using for 2025. So check out that video. Make sure you share this with a friend. like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video where I'll be doing my 6 months of expenses. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.